Isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna sound real stupid if this is wrong. Dogs can't burp, right? And that's what can cause their stomachs to flip sometimes.
Oh, I have no idea.
I don't know.
I've never actually owned a dog.
I'm probably really wrong, and I don't know why I've heard that before. I don't even know why that went to my brain. Oh, I'm gonna feel like such an idiot if that. I should have said that off camera.
I'm pretty sure dogs can burp, right?
Can they?
I have no idea.
Have you ever heard a dog burp?
I've never owned a dog, so
I've heard a dog fart, but I've never heard a dog burp.
Yeah. Well, I've never heard a cat bark, but God.
Obviously not. Obviously, you've never heard a cat bark. You fucking idiot. What? But it doesn't mean they can't do it.
You never know, man.
Never know. God damn it.